Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Jesse Lloyd Flake Lapid, more popularly known as Jess Lapid Jr., was born on March 22, 1962 in Caloocan to Jess Lapid Sr. and Belia Flake Lapid. He hails from a prominent family deeply entrenched in the Philippine film industry. His father, Jess Lapid Sr., was a well-known actor, while his uncle, Jose Lapid, was also an actor. Jess Jr.'s cousin, Lito Lapid, is a famous actor and politician, and his nephew, Mark Lapid, has followed in the family's footsteps, transitioning from acting to politics. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Tragedy struck Jess Jr.'s early life when his father, Jess Lapid Sr., was murdered when he was 9 years old. Ang pagkawalang ito ay nagkaroon ng malalim na epekto sa kanya. Humubog sa kanyang desisyon na ituloy ang isang karera sa industriya ng entertainment. Ang pamana ng kanyang pamilya sa pelikula at telebisyon, kasama ang kanyang personal na koneksyon sa craft, ay ginawang natural na landas para sa kanya ang pag-arte. At the age of 17, Jess Lapid Jr. decided to follow in the footsteps of his father and entered the Philippine showbiz industry. His first major role came in 1980 with the film Ang Bagong Kardong Kidlat. Over the next few years, nagbida siya sa maraming pelikulang puno ng aksyon na tumulong na maitatag ang kanyang presensya sa industriya. Ang ilan sa kanyang mga naunang obra ay kinabibilangan ng Caliwete Brothers noong 1981, kung saan gumanap siya kasama si Efren Reyes Jr. at Basagolero Ang Lover Ko noong 1981, kung saan gumanap siya kasama ni Myrna Castillo. He also appeared in Kapwa Cimarron noong 1981 and Mga Pambato noong 1981, featuring co-stars Rudy Fernandez, Ace Vergil, and Philip Salvador. Throughout the 1980s and early 1990s, Jess Lapid Jr. solidified his status as an action film icon. He became known for his tough guy's roles, often playing characters who were heroic, fearless, or rebellious. His work in Filipino cinema during this period earned him recognition as one of the most prominent action stars of his generations. In 1993, Jess Lapid Jr. was nominated for a Gawad Urian Award for Best Supporting Actor for his role in Lumayo Ka Man Sa Akin in 1993. This nomination marked an important milestone in his career as it showcased his ability to take on more nuanced and complex roles. Bukod pa rito, nakatanggap siya ng nominasyon ng Film Academy Award para sa Best Supporting Actor para sa kanyang pagganap sa Lagalag, The Eddie Fernandez Story noong 1991, na lalong nagpatatag ng kanyang versatility bilang isang aktor. In addition to his acting career, Jess Lapid Jr. expanded his talents to fight choreography and film direction. As a fight director, he worked on films like Kadre in 1997, starring Cesar Montano, and Tapang sa Tapang on 1997, in which his cousin Lito Lapid was the lead actor. His expertise in action scenes made him a sought-after fight director in the industry. In 2006, Jess Lapid Jr. ventured into film direction with the film Batas Militar noong 2006, starring his nephew Mark Lapid and Tanya Garcia. These mark a new chapter in his career, showcasing his ability not only to act but also to guide others in the filmmaking process. Jess Lapid Jr.'s talent extended to television, where he starred in a number of popular shows, primarily on GMA Network. He co-starred with Rofa May Quinto, Wendell Ramos, and Alfred Vargas in the TV series Marinara in 2004 and appeared in Saang Sulok ng Langit in 2005 alongside Maxine Magalona and Oyo Soto. He also appeared in the drama Mga Mata ni Angelita on 2007 with Marvin Agustin, Shirel Cruz, and former child star Cristal Reyes, and in Babangon Ako't Dudurugin Kita in 2008 starring Marvin Agustin and Yasmin Cordy. In 2006, Jess Lapid Jr. made a guest appearance in the long-running ABS-CBN action drama series FPJ's Ang Probinsyano, starring Coco Martin. His work in television further demonstrated his versatility as an actor, transitioning from films to TV with ease. Jess Lapid Jr. is a family man with deep roots in both the entertainment and sports world. His daughter, Justine Lapid, is a professional volleyball player, continuing the family's active participation in sports. Jess Jr.'s cousin Lito Lapid is also a well-known actor and politician, and the two share a strong personal and professional bond. In addition to his acting career, Jess Lapid Jr. has remained close with his family, contributing to various charitable efforts, including supporting typhoon victims in the Philippines. Apart from his career in film and television, Jess Lapid Jr. is a passionate and accomplished scuba diver. His love for the ocean and underwater exploration led him to pursue diving certifications, and he has steadily advanced through the ranks of diving instruction. In 1989, he became an open water diver, followed by his advanced diver certification in 1992. By 1993, he became a rescue diver, and in 1994, he earned his 4-star Dive Master certification. Ipinagpatuloy niya ang kanyang professional na karera sa diving sa pamamagitan ng pagiging assistant instructor noong 1995 at nang maglaon, isang 2-star instructor noong 1996. By 2010, Jess Lapid Jr. became a 3-star instructor trainer for CMAS Philippines, and in 2015, he was promoted to the prestigious title of Course Director. His achievements in scuba diving have made him a respected figure in the diving community, and he has contributed to the development of diving programs and courses in the Philippines. Jess Lapid Jr. has left an indelible mark on Philippine cinema, television, and the diving community. Known for his action-packed rules and fight choreography, he has entertained audiences for decades, while also contributing behind the scenes as a director and fight coordinator. Off-screen, ang kanyang hilig para sa scuba diving ay ginawa siyang pinuno sa komunidad ng diving, at ang kanyang dedikasyon sa pagtulong sa iba, lalo na sa pamamagitan ng charity work, ay higit na nagpapataas sa kanyang legacy. With a career that spans acting, directing, fight choreography, and diving, Jess Lapid Jr. is a true multi-talented artist and a beloved figure in both the entertainment and sports world. Through his enduring career, charitable work, and contributions to the world of diving, Jess Lapid Jr. has cemented his place as a respected figure in the Philippines, admired both for his artistic talent and his commitment to his passions. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Madam C.J. Walker, don't sit down and wait for the opportunities to come. Get up and make them. Shout out and thanks again to the comment of Kevin Mikel. Maraming salamat, my friend. Special thanks to my source from Google, https://enwikipedia.org, picture credits2, https www.tiktok.com, and inspirational quote credits2, https www.goodhousekeeping.com.